Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, two fuses we will need to check specifically, guys, for the airbag. We'll demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic. Even if you have a different year, it may work. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll need to open just the fuse box that's inside the cabin. It's on the driver's side under the dash, guys. If you look upside down, you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. There's a fuse box right here, okay? And that fuse box, now I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and realize that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The first fuse that you need to check for the airbags, guys, will be in that row right here. You have 1 on this side, 13 on this side, so we need to find fuse number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 10M fuse right here will need to be checked. That's fuse number 6. Then you guys have one more fuse that we'll need to check, and it's known as fuse number 35. So you have fuse number 27, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That fuse right here. Even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that spot, okay? So that's the fuse that you will need to. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.